So today I'm going to show you how to create a new project for the ASP.NET Core 2.0 with Identity Framework. So basically, if you are creating a new core project using the Visual Studio UI, you will not get the Identity Framework by default. So what is Identity Framework? Identity Framework is a framework that for you to log in and register account created by the Microsoft. So you can see that we create a demo project from the Visual Studio. In the controller, we don't have a manage controller and account controller. So if we run the project, it's a demo project. So you can only see demo homepage about, and there's no registration and login. So how are we going to create this login and registration from Visual Studio Mac? So the only way to do this is not from the Visual Studio, it's from the terminal. So first I'm going to show you the command that we need. So the most important thing is this: whether to use local database instead of SQLite if auth individual or auth individual 2 BC2 is specified. So we are going to use this local database to use the SQL server instead of SQLite. So the whole command will be .NET new MVC. We are going to create a new MVC project. So new MVC. So if you are going to create a Razor project, you will new Razor. So new MVC, output of the folder, movie, and the database type that we are going to use, ULD. And the most important part is auth individual. So after we just hit run on the command, it will create a new project in my default folder. New movie MVC. New movie MVC folder. So I just open up the project. You can see that we have this controller, account controller and manage controller. So if we run the project, so you can see the difference between the demo project and the movie project. The demo project is missing of registration and login. And for the project created by the terminal, we have this registration and login. Because Microsoft does not support SQL Server for the Mac, so to make it work, to create a new account, you have to change the default connection to your own connection. So for now, I'm using my own server connection. So I just copy my own connection and I just replace this. You can use your own connection. So we just start this and rebuild. So we just create new movie account at hotmail.com. So register. You can see that registration success. You can log out and log in. also locking also success. So this is basically how you create the identity framework in Mac. This is the only way for you to create. There's no other way.